As the commercials keep airing about protecting your house from being stolen, I've stopped to listen carefully to help explain to you what they are selling. Many viewers have asked me about the products known as Home Title Lock, LifeLock Home Title Protect, and Title Shield. One Twitter ad used to promote one of these products actually reads, according to FBI, hashtag house stealing is one of the fastest growing white-collar crimes in America. Protect your home or your family from hashtag title fraud. If someone could actually steal your house, it would call for some action on your part. What these products are actually monitoring services that alert a homeowner if someone files a document in the deed records on your real property. It's a little like an identity theft monitoring service. But if someone files a document that purports to impact your title without your signature, that document is invalid. A forged document or fraudulent document cannot operate to convey or encumber your property. Your house cannot be stolen by someone forging your name. The courts actually in Texas have consistently ruled that a forged deed is an absolute nullity, and even no purchaser under it can acquire title. So these paid-for monitoring services actually cannot stop someone from forging your signature or filing something in the deed records trying to sell or encumber your home. All these services can do is alert you if it has been done. Many counties in the state of Texas already provide free monitoring services. All you have to do is sign up with your county. The next step, however, once you are alerted, is to clear your title from the cloud caused by the forgery. Just like when your identity has been stolen for purposes of credit card abuse, you do have to make the credit agencies aware. There is a provision under the Texas Government Code, Section 51.903, where a person who is a victim of the fraud can file a motion with the court supported by an affidavit. This motion is entitled Motion for Judicial Review of Documentation or Instrument Purporting to Create a Lien or Claim. The court then issues a finding that the document is fraudulent. This order is then filed in the property records and is sufficient to clear title. This is not a complex legal proceeding and is not very costly. Since the process to remove a cloud on title is not complex or costly, it may not be worth the expense of a monthly subscription to these monitoring services simply to alert you if someone files something on title. It's not clear from what the services advertise that they even do the work of clearing title once it happens. Now, you might ask, if a purchaser who buys a property under a forged deed, and that purchaser is what we call an innocent purchaser, does not actually acquire title under Texas law, then how do we protect a buyer who pays good money for a piece of property? That's where title insurance is necessary. Title insurance specifically protects a buyer from a defect in, lien, or encumbrance on title caused by forgery. Meaning if an innocent purchaser buys property under a forged deed and gets title insurance at closing, the title insurer will be responsible for making the innocent purchaser whole, either by getting title cleared or paying buyer for his or her losses. I hope this podcast video answered some of your questions. If you have other topics you would like me to address, please reach out to me at tipoftheweek@allegiancetitle.com. Thank you.